Have a seat, get seated. I'm gonna try to do this in about 27 minutes. So, I was looking at your guys' ANET stuff, you know, the test you took, was it like 2 weeks ago now, or was it last week? Last week, right? And I saw a couple of you guys and other students too, kind of get stuck on the prompt, all right? A lot of you guys already knew what to do in math and you knew what to do in ELA, but you got stuck with the question, right? You guys feel it was worded kind of weird? Yeah? Like the way they were asking the questions, was it kind of weird?
Yes, and this thing, I don't like it.
Okay, well, I'm going to show you how to use this thing. So let's start with this one first. This is the math one. This is the one Miss Luna or Miss Neogi gave you for math, right? We'll just let that one. Right? Okay, pull this one up. Pull this one up. Put it in front of you. Oh, there we go. Okay. Can you guys kind of read that?
Yeah.
I know the metal thing is kind of in the way. There we go. Okay, we're only focusing on the top part. We don't need to pay attention to the bottom part. That's not important. That's all we're looking at. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's how I'm going to do this. We're going to do this. We're going to fill this out a little differently. Okay? You guys know how I've talked about like the TAK strategies and everything and all that, right?
Are you looking for this?
Oh yeah, my pen.
Oh, here.
Did I let you borrow it?
No, I just got it because I needed a pencil. But here, you can have. Here.
Actually, here, that's okay. I'll use this one because it's probably easier to read this one on the camera. Thank you. So first thing we're going to do, read the problem, right? Whatever, just leave it. Right? So Carmine, it's a weird name, it's okay, we'll let it go. Carmine paid an electrician X dollars per hour for a 5-hour job, plus 70 for parts. The total charge was $320. Following the line. Which equation can be used to determine how much the electrician charged per hour? Okay, so what I like to do, maybe this will work for you guys too, is I like to read the problem once just to kind of know what it's talking about, right? This one is talking about somebody paying an electrician, right? So I'm going to go to my no section on this. And you guys can follow along. You guys can do it. Copy this. And go to my no section. Then I'm going to put paying an electrician for a job. Well, my handwriting is really bad. It's okay, we'll let it go. Okay, so you guys go ahead and copy that down. Everybody still at 3? No, we won't do the minutes, we'll just do minutes. Everybody starts off at 3 and then you either gain or lose them.
Electrician.
Yeah. Well, you didn't even have to put electrician. I put electrician just cause, but you can put paying somebody for a job or paying for a job. Okay? Get that? Miguel, did you copy that?
Yeah.
Awesome. You got that. Good. The reason I wrote that there is that's my topic. You know the TAK? Remember TAK? So that's my topic. I'm using no as my topic. I'll even write it in here. Just so I know what's going on in the problem. Topic. A, we're going to skip A because that's just audience. That's always going to be a teacher. K is where it gets interesting.
Keywords?
Yeah, because you're actually going to have 2 groups of keywords. So, reading the problem again. I read it once. I know it's talking about paying for a job. Now, we'll go back and read. Looking for the what. You guys see the what? And that's what we're going to focus on today, the what.
The total.
So Carmine paid an electrician X dollars per hour for a 5-hour job plus 70 for parts. I'm like, okay. I see some numbers here. I see some words like plus and per. Okay. Okay. The total charge was 320. Okay, so we got a total. And which equation can be used to determine how much the electrician charged per hour? Okay. What are we supposed to do? Anybody have any ideas? Not how do we solve it, but what are we looking for? What are we supposed to do? Anybody have any ideas?
To find the keyword?
Who was there last time? I think you were there and Alonga, and you'd see, I remember, what did I tell you about math problems?
That we circle all the numbers
Yeah, and how do you know what it's asking for?
Ooh,
with the what?
You read it,
Down where you see the question mark.
yeah, you read it backwards. What are we trying to find?
which equation?
Okay, I want you to remember that word, which. You don't have to write this down, I just want you to remember.
Which?
The W word. What?
Oh, boy. These are all bad.
How about this one?
Okay, can you kind of see this one?
Which?
Okay. Mental note of this, you can even write it down wherever, like on the side or in the back. Which normally equals identify. What does it mean to identify? You've heard the word identify, right? You never heard identify? You know like what an ID is? ID is short for identification. Anytime you see this in a question, it means you're going to be given a bunch of options and you have to pick one. Right? Identify or...
Which one?
here it is. Let's just get down here. Wow, this one's pretty bad too. Okay. You can either make a mental note or write it down. Anytime you see this word right here in a question, it means you're going to be picking, right? Choosing from the options. Got it? Okay, good. So, and what are we picking? What's the word that comes right after it? We got what comes right after which? No, which word comes, whoa, sorry, I forgot, it's over here.
Equation.
Which word comes right after each, which?
Which?
Yeah.
Equation.
Equation. So pick equation, you got it? Here's what I want us to do that's different. So next benchmark, next ANET test, or even just any classwork test. For the what, you're going to write action plan. Who knows what an action plan is?
Like an idea.
Yeah, like an idea. Like what you're going to do, okay? We're not going to solve this whole problem. I'm just going to tell you how you can know what you're supposed to do. Got it? So in the what section is your action plan. The question starts with which, and that means pick, right? So pick. So we're going to put action plan. We're going to pick. Pick what? Pick what?
The equation.
Yeah, okay, the equation that can be used to determine how much the electricity charge per hour. So pick the, let's say, pick the, maybe just this, the equation that can be used. Yeah, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Or pick the best equation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I wrote. And then, like, you can go back here and add keywords. You can also add keywords, like down here, right? You can add keywords down here, like per hour, total, right? That sort of thing. But notice what I did. I took a whole question and I summarized it in one sentence. Right? This is the action plan. Find what it's asking you. You just put it in one simple sentence. Pick the best equation. Got it?
Mm.
Got it? How do you feel about it, Jose?
Good.
Yeah? Thumbs up if you think you can do this by yourself next try, or thumbs sideways if you want us to do another one together. Thumbs down if you're like, just do it again. Thumbs, you gotta give me thumbs, you gotta give me some thumbs here, you gotta show me something, I can't. Your thumb is kind of bouncing, you see, I don't know what it's doing. Sideways? You good? Thumbs up, sideways, down, do something. Thumbs up is like, okay, well, that works too. Sound effects, all right. Let's try a different one then. Let's see. You see that again? Okay. Let's have Londra read this. Can you see it from there?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Just right there.
A crew
Mhm.
of highway workers
Paid, yeah, paid.
paid 15 miles in 20 minutes if they work at the same rate with what portion of the mile will they pay in 1 hour?
Okay, paid means to like put concrete. Got it? So, you know, that's a paved road. That's what paving means, right?
I
Okay.
was thinking about how much they're gonna pay
Okay, that was the first time we read it. What's it talking about?
highways workers pay.
Highway workers.
What portion of the mile?
That's the question. That's the question. Slow down. What's it just talking about? What's this little story about? What's going on?
Highways,
Highways. What's happening to the highway?
they're
Usually you can find the topic within the first sentence. Sometimes it's the first couple of words. What's it talking about here?
crew of highways workers paid.
Okay. That could be your what? I mean, sorry, that could be your no, because that's your topic.
Topic.
Yeah. So-
Right here, right, in the second one?
Yeah, right on the second one, so make sure you follow along with it right here, okay? And you can summarize it however you want, you can just say highway workers, paving, or I'm gonna write highway workers. Paving. Got that? Right here.
Is it P-A-R-I-N-G?
P-A-V-I-N-G.
Oh,
And paving is just like put concrete on something. Okay?
and then it's gonna be action.
Yeah, now we go down to the what? We're gonna write our action plan.
How long the
That's the
meeting-
question. Oh, wait, you know what? My bad, I totally messed up. It's okay, we're gonna fix it, we're gonna fix it. It's okay, we're gonna fix it, we're gonna fix it. Cross out action. Sorry guys, let's skip this step. We'll look at the what first. What's it asking us to find?
Isn't it the question?
Yeah. What's that? Remember that word? What's this word?
Rap.
Rate. Rate. Find the rate. So what it's asking you to find is rate. And then you can add more details later, right? Strategy is going to be your action plan. Action plan on strategy. So what's your action plan? What portion of a mile will they pave in 1 hour? You have options, right?
Mhm.
So when you have options, what do you have to do?
Pick,
Yep.
so pick the best,
Pick the best one. Okay.
pick
Wait, did you say A? Are you guessing?
the best one.
So that should tell you your action plan. Okay, that should tell you what you're supposed to do. All right? Now, it doesn't mean you're going to guess. You're obviously still going to try to show your work, right? You're still going to go through all that. But now you know what it's asking you for, right? Okay. Before I let you do this on your own, I'm going to show you how to do this for ELA.
Can we do one on our own and then show us how to do the internet?
Yeah, we could actually. That's a good
Because
idea.
then too much, it turns me crazy.
Actually, that's a good idea. Let's try this one. You see it? You good? Can you see it okay?
Yes.
Yeah,
Well,
keep-
you was like-
just put a paper
Yes.
right there in the bottom.
Okay. I'll give you guys 2 minutes. Go ahead.
Where do we write that?
Oh, sorry, you should have more on the back. Flip it on the back. Flip it on the back. There we go. Let's try to come up with an action plan, all right? Like, yeah, we have this question, let's figure out what we're supposed to do.
An action plan or the talk?
Well, both. You have to come up with everything.
Okay, talk.
Is how are you going to know what you're supposed to do? Read that.
David?
Odds.
Uh,
Read. Okay. What's your topic? What's your topic? Okay, right there. Alright, so the computer, right here. What's the next thing you find? Total what? No, the total what? What total what is your the total price?
We don't have to do not right?
Not for right now.
Only what and
You're right. You're gonna write our action. Just a second. What are you going to do to answer this question? Okay. I mean, there's all that, but what should your answer look like? Do you have to write an answer? Do you have to choose an answer? What is written for you?
Choose one.
What's the question?
the graduate here.
It's just that, I don't know what I'm saying. This, that. Right here, we're gonna add, what's it asking you? What are you doing here? Okay, sure. What do you have to find?
Can I put the, can you put that there? Yeah?
Oh, sorry. The cost, what cost? Look at the, see what a question mark is, look at the words near it.
Is that what you said?
What are you gonna find? Let me see. What's that say? Right, is that what it's done? No, that's not what's here, so there, total price, but not how many.
How much?
What's your answer supposed to look like? What is your answer supposed to look like? Do you have to write one or pick one? It's just so you know what your answer, what you're doing in the answer. All right, there you go. Good. So do y'all have picked the best answer? Give me a thumbs up if you have picked the best answer as your action plan. Okay. Yeah, you have that. Okay, good. For what, you should be looking for the total price. You guys got that? Total price? Total price? Yeah?
Yeah.
And the thing is about computers or cost of a computer. You guys got that? Something like that? In order you had like tax added to the cost, right? That's fine, because that's what it's about too. Okay? Awesome. So actually,
Time to go.
yeah, we'll have to do the ELA one another day because that's kind of
Tomorrow.
a different thing. Maybe
Okay,
tomorrow,
fine.
we'll see. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. All right, you guys go ahead and stop it.